I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I missed my family. I missed my family. I borrowed some money. I borrowed some money. I spent too much money. I spent too much money. I chose the blue shirt. I chose the blue shirt. I planted a tree. I planted a tree. I repaired my bike. I repaired my bike. I painted the wall. I painted the wall. I washed the dishes. I washed the dishes. I solved the puzzle. I solved the puzzle. I won a prize. I won a prize. I prepared breakfast. I prepared breakfast. I opened a bank account. I opened a bank account. I closed the window. I closed the window. I answered the question. I answered the question. I invited my cousin. I invited my cousin. I asked for help. I asked for help. I walked to the park in the evening. I walk to the park in the evening. Children play on the swings. Children play on the swings. I sit on a bench. I sit on a bench. The weather is nice and sunny. The weather is nice and sunny. I see people walking their dogs. I see people walking their dogs. Some friends play football on the grass. Some friends play football on the grass. I read a book under a tree. I read a book under a tree. Birds sing in the trees. Birds sing in the trees. I take a deep breath of fresh air. I take a deep breath of fresh air.